Okay, so today we're going to be making some slime. First things first. Okay, gotta be clean enough. Okay, so if you're at home with all this corona craziness, this might be something that you'd want to do. So this is slime with borax, and what you're going to need is some glue, some water. You can do food coloring, or we're going to do glitter today, and you also need borax. So first things first, you're going to mix 1/4 cup of glue into your measuring cup. See, 1/4. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna add that in to our bowl. Next, we're gonna add some glitter. I'll let you decide how much glitter you want to add, since we don't have food coloring. Okay. You're wanting to go crazy today. All right, then we need 1/4 cup of borax and 1/4 cup of water. So we'll just. So this is what our bowl looks like at the moment. Really gross. Come on. Yep, that'll work. Okay, so next you are going to get a little messy here. Oh, use your hands. Come on now, that's the fun of it. And you're going to mix it really well with your hands. Thus, we have our... I think we put a lot of borax in there.
More glue. There we go.
There we go.
There.
Maybe more glue.
Okay. 1/4 of a cup. We really measured this out. And more glue.
Maybe
okay.
like 3 cups.
More glue.
There we go. It's looking more like slime now.
The borax was much older though too. So.
Yeah, make sure you don't put too much borax. That's what we've learned, is maybe more glue, less borax.
Show them the ball we have. It's like a slime ball, maybe made of rock.
Well, with all this snow that was outside, here's the start of your snowman.
It's a fossil. We made not slime, fossil.
Yes. All right, well, there you have it. Our slime ball.
Ballish thing.
Good job. Okay, here. No. Get this out of here. Why do we need this?
Because we're going to use it for something soon.
So
I'm this bodyguard.
I need the glue. Do not get that stuck.
It's stuck.
All right, well, oh, shoot.
That was not good.
Okay, welcome to, we're going to make some slime today.
Welcome to, we're going to make some slime today. I did like the bowls.
Borax.
Having some difficulties here with the borax. Might be a little bit older.
It's not glue.
Huh?
That's not glue. Oh, man. This is some fun
Maybe
slime.
we should